job, start a business, be free. It sounds really empowering until you are the one staring at your bank balance. There is lot of quit your job content online. Aesthetic mornings, laptop by the beach, bet on yourself speech, bet on yourself speech. And as somebody who left a job to try to build income online, I want to talk about the part nobody talks about and the part which does not get filmed. Before starting the video, little disclaimer guys, this is not anti-risk video. This is not a video where I talk about not following your ambition, and I am not somebody who is anti-dreams. I'm just giving a clearer picture to let you guys know the full picture, because you have seen the results. You need to also see the in-betweens. That's where I come in. Making the decision to quit feels powerful. You feel brave, you feel independent, you feel the freedom. But quitting is a movement. Building something sustainable, that's a process. And when you don't have fixed salary coming in, everything feels heavier. Groceries feel heavy, subscriptions feel heavy. Every small purchase you think about twice. And it is not just about making money, it is about making money fast enough. And that pressure changes you. A lot of quit your job content skips the timeline. You see the end results. You don't see the in between. You don't see the months of confusion about what to do and what not to do. What they don't show is failed ideas, quiet weeks, the stress, self-doubt, and inconsistency in your income, or the lack of income, TBH. In a 9 to 5, the structure is given to you. When you quit, you become the boss. You become the employee. You become the intern. You become the one who makes the rules and you are the one who has to follow it. Freedom sounds legit, but accountability is heavier. And the responsibility feels heavy. When I left my job, I didn't leave because I hated my work. I hated it a little. I left because I wanted to build something for myself. But what I did not knew at that time was how demanding and challenging it will be for me mentally. There were days where I was questioning everything. Not because I regret quitting. I do not. It was just because uncertainty is making me confused, and I don't know, I'm not sure. Pretty uncertain, right? And you guys know why the quit your job content sells? Because it sells you the escape. It sells you the escape. It represents the escape which you are craving. The escape from office politics, daily commutes, your managers, slow growth or no growth, fixed routine which we hate so much. But the escape is not as same as stability. Quitting your job is not the bravest thing. It is a brave thing, but it is not the test. Staying consistent after quitting, that's where the real test begins. And sometimes the smarter move would have been not consisting immediately, trying to build something first. But well, we are way past that ladder. The ugly truth about quit the job content is that it romanticizes the leap and skips the landing. Dream big, guys, but you need to plan even bigger and better. If you want honest conversations about building an online income without aesthetics or filters, subscribe. I'm sharing the real journey so that you guys don't make the same mistakes I am making, and not just the brave moments, so that you guys get to know the in-betweens as well. Because trust me, whosoever has subscribed to my channel and watching this video now, plus 5 years, and I will be successful.